evening, everyone. I would quickly show you the case because of the time constraint. So, going to the history, patient, a 24-year-old male had come to us with neck pain since 1 month. He had bilateral lower limb radical pain. He had weakness bilateral upper limb, and he had myelopathy signs. His gait was normal. On examination, neurology was shoulder flexion, abduction, extension, and elbow flexion was 1/5. So we went, did an MRI. The MRI was done and it showed a epidural abscess, which was mostly phenomenal, and there was no bony collapse. So when we saw this patient, there was no upper motor neuron signs in this images of the patient, and these were the axial cuts of the patient where we saw most. There is the was not compromised, but the forearms were involved. So how to go about this case? I will quickly ask everyone that how would we do we do a bio? Do we go aggressive? Ankit sir.
I mean, you try as much as possible to get a biopsy if it is feasible. What did radiologists say? Can you see the images?
Yeah. This one.
It's hard to do biopsy there.
Correct, sir.
Depends on the radiologist, you know. I mean, he's confident, maybe you can.
So the same way we went and we radiologist to guided biopsy patient, but guided biopsy turned negative for all tests, culture sensitivity, MJT, gene expert, and histopathology. So we patient on empirical AKT and patient was followed up. Now 1 month post AKT, we did an MRI of as patient pain getting better, abscess started resolving, but we saw bony involvement now. We saw mechanical feeling. 3 body was fractured. So we started to give him traction and for the this was the MRI 1 month post AKT, and these were the axial images. In 3 months down the line, AKT was started. We saw that the abscess was resolved. Again, we saw that C3 was same. At this stage of point of time, the patient came to us with some neck pain, radical. Again, how do we go about this case, sir? Here, after 3 months of post, where we see healing, but the collapse increasing.
Did he have any signs of gait imbalance apart from radicular?
So, now, after 3 months, he had hyperplexia, other than no gait imbalance or anything.
Sir, what will you be this ensure?
When you see what happens in tuberculosis is that really there's going to be a fusion between C2, C3, C4. So the question is, do you really want to make that C4 kyph and give it better picture because you want chronic developing in the spine. Believing it is going to end with any kind of paralysis, radical impossible now. Disease is stable, posterior is stable. So, heals heal with kyph. If you want, you correct it and realize it because length of the body is circumcised.
Okay. So if we go, so we do enter both.
Yeah,
so,
of course.
So we decided to operate upon this patient, and we did a 3 corpectomy with the anterior mesh and a plate, and posterior and did a lateral mass C2, C and C5 levels. Biopsy was done. Open biopsy was done at this stage, and we gave a patient a cervical extension brace. So this is what we would have done.
Biopsy report.
First time, sir, CT guided biopsy report was negative. Second time, intraop open biopsy was done. That was also negative for all the tests.
It was a responding tuberculosis. So we are confirmed.
His pathology also was not sure.
Not sure.
Pathology not
not suggestive of no cox and no.
It should something inflammatory disease, fibrotic, something.
Yeah, it showed inflammatory.
Which
in-
means it is worse. Then that's you can say about it.
Sir, because when
See, I think, like I said, the strength of T4 body is suspect. You can
Correct.
already the spikes of cages sinking the end plate. So it's always good to stabilize. Otherwise, your anterior mean and failure. And let's hope sort of stays and help the patient.
laminectomy also done, and we followed on this patient again post only 2 months when surgery was. This was the exposure of the patient. As you said, he did post, but definitely the blood started entirely.
Uh, the error here is doing a posterior laminectomy. No need to do posterior laminectomy because the good fusion is over the in this case. If you go back to MRIs, masses are destroyed. If you go back to MRIs, lateral masses destroyed. You can see the abscess around the cord. Your lateral masses are destroyed. So your posterior connection and significant anterior connection should not be. So I only way implant can fit is if you do a laminectomy. Because surgery will restore the anatomy of the spine, not for decompression.
So
I agree. Yeah.
so now what do we do such cases? How do we put it now? Leave the implant, wait and watch, or should just try to give up or brace for the.
Need CT scan,
I
right?
think get a CT scan, what it is. I mean, I would be hesitant to go back in the. Yeah. If you
So
can, it would.
this was the MRI post-operative 3 months later. Implant started. Did an MRI picture of. Again, we saw that everything is resolved, but the collapse is.
Now new bodies are showing changes.
The
So not-
C5.
is the action that is, or I mean that there before.
And the second batch also shown all reports negative. We also in the medical, do we this patient just put on action and brace? So these options first, this was the intuitive positioning and traction, which second time took him put the drop after interaction. What we did was we again went and we C4 extended post construct till C, and we the C4 and only C5 was done. Cage was the screw passed through the message, and we also started the second PT drug. Any comments on?
No, you have done.
I would agree with your exit.
Because you have done put the second cage on a fracture body.
Correct.
And really hold to the distance of that cage, so that flimsy plant. I don't know whether it can prevent cage from going. See, I think in a plate and a cage, without mesh cage can really tear your structures anteriorly. You have to be very, very careful that your cage is very, very.
Correct.
Yeah, and also the reason top end failing is C2. Low all lateral pedicle, because that those lateral have much of hold the
with up. What else and if you would have to operate him.
Then side for that, actually, I asked you CT. Once implants are failing, see whether CT cells are also or is there any kind of loose. Go ahead and do and come back in the construct page.
Must have T for sure. I mean, why?
No, I think as pedigree with a disease that extending into bodies is a little dangerous because that there is this process eating up this dystally, and we are sure what's happening in medical management. Okay, I think what have been really if you want to reconstruct your aim again to get a true diagnosis, hide that.
So I'm also we got a sample. So I'm also the sent to Hindu. Again, everything turned out to be.
So if you're repairing bone disease, please don't ask. You can do.
Other enough implant well made that disease.
So
By
what,
doing that level more, you will have to very good purchase down. And C2 is losing, then you will have occiput. Maybe not, but hold with temporary an implant later. But if collapsing, you don't have, as Dr. said, that you don't have a medical control of this.
Sir, AKD.
Ask that infections really it means empirical. It means that this is clinically Cox diagnosis.
Correct.
That means
And screw is right.
Just Saijyot and back pictures.
Yes, sir. Duty back. We are big 3 years.
Okay.
So,
Screw is
sir, yes, sir.
then why not lateral mass?
Correct. So, so this operative second surgery also had followed to us 2 days now, and this which was still following up. We really don't know now, and started him on traction bracing and medical second line TB drugs. We have discussed with the infectious people. Everything is done, but still we still don't have answers to this.
That cage is really dangerous.
no, I think the first is to put him in a halo and protect his viscera. Because
Okay.
because the C2, if I can see, the C2 end plates are also going off. That cage, I don't know what is happening to the C2 above that, because that cage above, it's still holding on to the C2, but I don't know how long. The second implant is looking extremely dangerous. Where you have
Extremely dangerous.
extremely dangerous.
No, but Mihir, it's not very easy to remove these implants now.
Yeah.
Good
So
time,
I think, no,
like there, it's not going to be.
no, see, Kshitij, easy or not, if it is going to endanger the esophagus and the trachea, you still have to have an ENT surgeon or whatever surgeon you have with you. Let him expose the whole implant for you. You have to have help on this because you have to keep a close watch.
Means get rid of the implant, put a fibula there, and put the patient in a halo.
No, get rid of the implant, put the patient in a halo, and watch him. See, you cannot keep this implant.
And put a fibula there, no, from C2 down to.
No, the thing is that there is no end plate below, so you have to go down to the normal end
You
plate.
have to go down. Yeah.
So go down to the, but again, an unsupported fibula.
Yeah,
is
but
not a very strong construct.
Patient in halo after that.
Yeah, so put the patient in halo.
3
But
months.
Finally, you require a diagnosis.
Without that, everything is in a problem. Whatever
if
you
hear closely, even the posterior elements like the lateral mass also are disappearing. So what is happening here really? Without a tissue diagnosis, how would a fibula with a good plate and a good halo will hold? And for
Hey
how
man,
long?
at least you should show us the CT scanner. You have not shown the CT scan so far.
It's not a malignancy, right? It's not a
No.
lymphoma or a tumor like that, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now you should get a CT scan for sure. See
Sure,
what
sir.
Because if you see, there's no lateral mass on the right side. or left side, rather whatever side that is.
No, there's no bone there behind the cage,
bone.
above the cage, behind the area.
No, your lateral mass screws are floating in the middle. Where's the bone around the lateral mass in what C4, C5? There's no bone. The lateral mass screws are all floating. Your fixation is in C2 and C7. In between, there's nothing. On the
That's a tough call. I think the diagnosis is a little in doubt in this. What this is?
Yes, sir. We are still following up with the patient.
CT back again.
Have you worked up this patient from the endocrine and all these points of view?
Not yet, sir. Only infectious people we have spoken to.
No, is it
Because the
something
patient
else?
was
Are we missing the boat completely?
correct, sir.
Means it's not tuberculosis, is
not
what sir is
tuberculosis.
saying. It's something else only going on.
Because now you have given primary AKT for so many months and the bone is rapidly disappearing.
Saijyot, can I see the last MRI again?
It looks more like disappearing bone disease or some of those variants where
Yeah, so that
something much more aggressive.
Yes, yes, it's something
Well,
else.
look at that MRI. It is going way down. It is going
Yes.
behind C7 now. Your C7 is going to pull off. Huh? You put him in a halo.
Correct, sir.
You see that epidural cuff is extending to C7. Everything is going to disappear there in no time.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for feedback.
Thank
And
you. Do let us know what happens then later.
sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah, tough case.
Tough problem, Bapre.
Thank you so much.